Hello everybody, my name is Estefania Pérez Merlano and I study to Corporation Universitaria del Caribe of SECAR, and my teacher is Luz Eugenia González Mesa, and I explain two description countries and the simple present, and come on. Welcome to Korea del Sur. Yes. Do you like Korea del Sur? Yes, I like Korea del Sur. It's a country on original Asia located in Sur 3, part of the Korean peninsula. The people in Korea is ungrateful, responsibly organized, and respect. The people is and grateful, and the food is delicious. And anyway, Korea del Sur. In Korea del Sur, the people is always organized and conserved. The people is grateful because the people always is in respect of the old adult or the parents, and because gracias in Korea thanks is kamsamnida. In Korea del Sur is South Korea. There are many places to visit at. For example, the Ponchear Ballet y Hyundai. Ponchear Ballet there is an old stone quarry there that the city country has converted to the natural place. Is an old place in Korea del Sur and is beautiful. It is and grateful and it's natural. Hyundai, it's the beach in not only representation to Busan, but is the most popular in Korea because you walk in the beach and you visit to with your family or your friends. Corea del Sur, el Río Han. The Río Han is known the largest rivers in the South Korea, and it is the fourth largest to ride into Korea in peninsula after the Amont, Dumang, and in the Nandong River. It's a good place because you walk in the largest ways and you drive in your car for the largest ways, and it's a good place. And this is finally, and this is Korea del Sur is a good place. If you like visit, it's okay because it's a bit country and the people is good in fighting. Thank you very much. This is all to the Korea del Sur.